Well guys, welcome to Bikebiz. My name is Mikey Mike. Exciting moment here. We've just had a rather large drop of the Tridents, the Triumph Tridents. Brand new puppy to arrive on the market. So let's rip it open and take a squiz, shall we? Woohoo! Oh, that's a sweetie. Check this out. Come on in, take a squeeze. 660 Triumph Trident, absolutely stunning. Let's get this bad boy out of the crate. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Bikebiz. My name is Mikey Mike and welcome to the Triumph Trident. What a fabulous thing. Brand new puppy, worldwide launch, and quite privileged to be part of this gig. As you can see, 660 learner approved bike for our market here in Australia. It's coming in at a whopping 189 kilos wet, so it is a featherweight when it comes to other learner approved bikes. It is a brilliant bit of kit. Slip assist clutch, slipper clutch. It is the best learner bike on the planet. To me, there's no question. Come on down and check it out. You can see us at Bikebiz Motorcycles. Pay us a visit, give us a call, send us an email. Just come on down and check these bad boys out. Yeah, talk to you very soon. All the best. Cheers.